What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're all family over here, so what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Also, let me know how y'all been doing down below. I've missed y'all so much. Okay, y'all, as y'all know, school is back in session, so I had to get my baby right. You would think I haven't did her hair in forever, but it's literally been a little over 4 weeks. My baby does have like a sensitive scalp, so she gets dandruff really bad. So I am not using any like heavy products on her hair, especially when it comes to the retwist. You see me now just scratching a little bit of that dandruff up. I wanted to get it off her scalp before I shampooed her, and I did do her a detox because we gotta be squeaky clean going back to school. And she also wanted color, so we went back and forth because, as y'all know, I'm gonna keep her a kid as long as she can be a kid, and that's just that on that. So we definitely did something that wasn't too drastic. She wanted to go with purple. I didn't want to bleach her hair just yet if I didn't have to, so I went in with the L'Oreal HICOLOR. And I've used this color line before. I just used it in the red, and the red came out very vibrant. I really like that one. I've never used the purple. This was my first time using it. And at the end, y'all are gonna see how it came out. Now, it wasn't as bright as either of us would have liked it to be, but you can tell she got like a little hint of color in it. I did tell her later on we might go back and I actually like bleach it and get a different purple and apply it that just so it'll show up. I didn't want to do her whole head, so we just did a few, something like a highlight on a few of her locks. And yeah, I want y'all to see the process. It wasn't, y'all know, when it comes to color, I'm gonna get that color on, honey. We're gonna let it process for a little while, and then I proceeded to wash it out and detox her hair. I had to make sure I was really focusing on her scalp. Even with her retwist, I did not use any type of like creams or gels or anything like that. I just went in with some of my hair elixir that I make, which is basically an oil, and that's all I used on her scalp. And y'all gonna see it still came out super good. But how have y'all been? Like, I miss y'all so much. I know we've been dragging on the content, but as y'all know, look at that belly, y'all. Look how big I have gotten. And our due date is coming up. So I'm due October 20th, if y'all didn't know already. And we're having a boy, another Cashy. Cash actually named him, y'all. So I don't know if I've told y'all already, but if y'all can guess the name or get close to the name, let's see. What are we gonna do? I don't know. We're gonna do something. But just guess the name and leave it down below. And whoever gets the closest, I might give y'all a gift card or something. Let's do like a Visa gift card, Walmart gift card. I'll let y'all choose. Whoever gets the closest. And yeah, that's all that's been up with us, trying to get the kids, together, especially baby girl going back to school. Y'all know this time of the year is super hectic. Stores are super packed. Everybody's trying to get supplies and all that. Look at Cash, y'all. He's gotten so big. I know y'all haven't seen him in a minute. He's a big boy now. Yep. And I want to cry about it every 2 seconds. Y'all, these pregnancy emotions have been on a 10. I went to drop my baby off at school and broke down crying after we dropped her off. I'm like, oh my God, okay, I got to get it together. But yeah, I'm definitely going to keep the content coming for you guys. We are working on dropping more true crimes. We miss our true crimes so much, and so much has been going on. As y'all know, like for real in life is so much going on in this world. Like, I can barely keep up. I don't know if y'all are, keeping up with what's been going on, but it stresses me out so much that I have to, sometimes tune it out because it's a lot. Anywho, at this point, I have rinsed out her color, detoxed her hair, and I told her to choose the style that she wanted. She went with the 2-strand, so I pretty much 2-strand her whole head except for maybe 4 rows at the top. She did want the bangs hanging, so I left 2 down. and you will see me put jewels and stuff on those. Um, and yeah, it came out super, super cute. I really love this style. And she's becoming a big girl, y'all. It makes me so sad that my baby is growing up. Like, tell me I'm not the only parent that's like that. I'm like, girl, like just yesterday you were like in a backpack on your daddy back. And now you're going to middle school. So, yeah, she's a big girl now. But I love the fact that we can still, bond over the small things. Even with me, doing her hair, we still bonding. And I love that. And if anybody wants to know, I like to use the locksmith method, especially with her hair because it's so thick. That way I can make sure all of that loose hair is incorporated well. So I basically just twist a little bit at her root and then I just locksmith it and palm roll to lock it into place. I don't have to use any clips or anything on her hair. I just do like the C, basically wrap it around one time, especially because I was gonna twist her and twist it anyway. So clips and stuff is unnecessary to me. But if you still need to use the clips, definitely use the clips because I still use clips on certain people's hair depending on how they're gonna get it. Now, if they're gonna keep it like straight, like if they don't want to style or anything, I will definitely use the clips just to hold it in place. But if they're gonna get a style, I don't have to use the clips. I'm finally done with her retwist and her 2-strand around the back and the sides. Now I'm just going to take those few rows that I left out at the top and do the barrel twist like I told y'all before, into like 2 ponytails. And then I'm going to show you how I like to add the shells on. These shells didn't come with the like little clippy things on them, so I like to use the rubber bands and a bobby pin to attach them. And I'm going to show y'all how I loop that rubber band in there and attach it to her hair in just a sec. At this point, my baby was hungry. Like, we were already rushing because we had to go to her school to get her schedule and stuff and meet her teacher. So we were really like in a crunch for time. So hubby brought her a quick snack, a Hot Pocket, y'all. I don't know about y'all kids, but my kids love Hot Pockets. So she ate that right before we left. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all finish watching the process. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all again for rocking with me and for watching my videos. If y'all have any other videos that y'all want to see me do, if y'all want any close-ups, if y'all want me to slow the videos down a little bit, I will definitely do that. Just make sure you let me know down below. And yeah, I love y'all. I'm definitely coming with more vlogs, especially about the baby in this process. We're almost to the finish line, y'all. So yeah, I'm definitely coming with more vlogs, definitely coming with more true crimes, and of course, I'm coming with more hair content for you guys. But yeah, I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. Be careful out here. Stay safe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.